This football automation channel has made over $11,000 from uploading 4 simple highlights videos. According to NextLev Analytics, they have made over $5,000 in the last 28 days. Their most popular video, uploaded just 3 months ago, has close to 10 million views, making them over $10,000. To prove that you can do the same, here are a few other channels NextLev found that are creating similar content and are printing cash. In this video, I will show you different types of viral, copyright-free football content you can create for your sports channel. I will use examples from existing channels so that you can see that others are already doing this. If you stick with me until the end, you will learn where to find footage and edit without copyright issues. Let's not waste any time then and get straight to it. Highlights. Football fans love moments that cause a stir. That might include a kick from midfield or a goalie sprinting forward in the final minute. One approach is to collect the most chaotic saves by keepers who throw themselves at the ball from unexpected angles. Then there are moments when a single player takes the ball from end to end, leaving defenders spinning. All these sequences may be cut together, allowing viewers to never get bored. Let's use the NextLev Chrome extension to look at some examples. Search for football highlights on the YouTube search bar. On the NextLev filter on the left, choose long form. Then choose a subscriber count from 1,000 to 100,000 because we want to see content from channels that are monetized but are not so big. And for the views, we want videos getting at least 400,000 and above. For the upload date, we want videos that have been uploaded in the last year. Then hit go to search. As you can see, we are already getting some good inspiration for our videos from the NextLev search results. Take note of those as we move on to the next category, special moments. Of course, highlights alone don't cover the whole scope of the sport. Your channel can branch out to special moments that changed everything for a club. Maybe it's an injury time winner that sent the crowd into a frenzy. Here are 3 examples I found when researching this video. Moments that can't be repeated in football by Sports HD, Superhuman. Moments in football by Jackie MT, and Unforgettable Goals. In football, Football Greatest Moments by GRD Arena. Documentaries. You can also step into football mini documentaries by gathering free-to-use photos, older interviews, or public audio snippets, and shape them into a narrative that reveals a journey through time. There could be a piece about a club that rose from near bankruptcy to become a major force. For example, here are 2 great documentaries: 10 football clubs that don't exist anymore by Football Daily, and the bizarre stadium that bankrupted a football club by HITC 7s. Controversial moments. Another angle that sparks attention involves controversial moments. Nothing prompts debate quite like a referee's questionable call in a final or a moment when tempers flared among the players. A balanced approach means showing what happened from multiple angles, and then letting viewers form opinions on whether the decision was correct or not. Here is a great example of controversial moments by the 90 Minutes YouTube channel, Rivalries and Feuds. You can also highlight rivalries and feuds between 2 clubs that have harbored animosity for decades, or between 2 prominent players who frequently clash on the field. These types of clips can trace the origin of that rivalry, the crucial matches that shaped it, and how fans on both sides react whenever those teams meet. Every time these clubs face each other, past grudges resurface. For viewers, seeing those old battles side by side with modern ones feels like stepping into a living history. That kind of tension can hook people who might not even follow the sport that closely, simply because the drama between rivals can be as absorbing as a movie plot. To prove this is a good topic, this channel with 2,000 subscribers covered top 10 football rivalries and managed over 27,000 views and over 60,000 comments. That's 13 times more views compared to their subscriber count. Underdog and upset stories. Without underdogs who defy expectations, no sport can be considered complete. Your channel can focus on a small club that surprised powerhouses in cup ties, or a rising player who overcame countless setbacks. This channel with 16,000 subscribers covered the biggest underdog of each Champions League and got close to 300,000 views, proving that it's a good topic to pursue. Inspirational comebacks. Inspirational comebacks have a similar pull. Maybe a star tore a ligament and was told they'd never play again, only to return and score a last-minute goal in a cup final. Maybe a team trailed by 3 goals at halftime, then mounted a charge that left viewers speechless. This is one of the most common football videos, and searching YouTube brings numerous examples. Player or team profiles. Another approach you can take is to profile a player or a team. You could craft an entire piece about a legendary attacker who rose from street matches in a small village to the biggest stadiums on the planet. Old images from public domain archives can illustrate a player's humble start. Then, short match clips from free sources can cover the major steps in the athlete's journey. For example, this video covering the origin of some English footballers from a channel with 34K subs has over 400K views, proving that there is potential in such topics. Tactical analysis and strategy. Tactical analysis and strategy might sound complicated, but it can be turned into an easy-to-follow story if approached with the right style. You can begin with a key match and point out how a coach's formation flipped the outcome. Then, freeze frames can highlight players moving in unison, pressing the opposition in a particular shape, or focusing on a certain flank. When viewers deconstruct these patterns in simple language, without the need for deep football knowledge, they often remain captivated, as it offers a behind-the-scenes glimpse into the unique aspects of that match. Adding short transitions between each tactical point can prevent the video from becoming too dry, while images from older matches can show how certain styles have changed over time. For example, this channel with 34K subs covered positioning and movement and got over 3.2 million views. Funny and bizarre moments. Funny or bizarre moments are perfect for bringing humor to your channel. It's important to keep a friendly vibe so the content remains lighthearted and watchable for viewers of all ages. Interestingly, when you search for these moments on YouTube, they all have over 1 million views. Are you thinking what I am thinking? Records and milestones represent another area of content that can capture the attention of new viewers. A narrative might begin by referencing a day when the record was set, then flash back to previous attempts that fell short. Highlight reels of record-breaking performances keep viewers in awe because they get to see the sheer skill or consistency that went into reaching that point. People tend to share these videos as well since they serve as proof of greatness that can't be questioned. This channel with 21K subs covered football records that will never be broken and amassed over 2.1 million views. Amazing, right? Football culture and fan stories. The final element is the culture and stories from the stands. It isn't just about players on the field. It's also about the devoted chants, the vibrant flares, or the massive banners that fill an entire section of the stadium. A creator might feature fans who traveled thousands of miles to cheer their team in an away match, or fans who stuck by their club even through the worst times. If you are a football creator, you must join other creators in the Football Creators Club. You will learn how to edit football videos with no copyright issues, get access to the best HD football clips, make money through the affiliate program, and get help from other football creators. Click the link in the description to join right now. To learn where to find football matches and edit football clips without any copyright issues, watch the video popping on your screen right now.